This one in here, this one on top here.
So while one swelling, you can put one on next one on the top?
Yeah, one time. Once you get the heat, look at that.
Perfect.
Good day, everybody. Welcome to Shanty home, the Chulha Queen in Siparia. So I'd like everybody to welcome to my kitchen. Hi, good morning. This is Shanty Kitchen. So this morning I'm going to do a Sada in the fireside. So I'm going to show all you how Shanty does do she things different, right? This is my salt. And this is my baking powder. If you put too much baking powder, your roti wouldn't swell. So I'll put a little bit. This is how we make the flour for the Sada. You cannot knead it too soft and you cannot knead it too hard. So that's how we knead it. So I'm putting a little more water there. See how Shanty does have to make flour. So this is the sticks you're looking at. Like this so it must be nice. So I just have to knead it part by part. So my so clean it come off the basin. This clean and nice. This one going back to here now. Always have to be a little stiffer than the others. This is Sada Roti. We're going to do some Sada from into the fireside. You have to knead it until you feel it smooth. Alright, so nice this look now. That is for the Sada. I'm leaving this to rest at least about less than half an hour. About as soon as you finish, you take a rest, start back with this. Then I go make the lawyers and then I go make the roti. So you'll see mine back in a little bit. Here we're going to do some Sada Roti from the fireside, right? So that is the tawa I put up there. So we're going to put some wood there now for this to hot. So we need to sink the roti. So we need fire. Right. So straight and nice. Shanty going to roll out Chulha here now for roti, right? Alright. Some people that say dough and thing, not Shanty. Shanty not doing this big time thing. Shanty is a long time thing. So yeah, people can say that it's called as the dough, or how me can either say the loya. That is what I grow with the loya, right? Some people go, the one are doing an example on this one. Some people will do this whole time, right? And they roll in and they roll in and they roll in like this, right? Shanty don't do that. When you do that, you tired the roti. Shanty break out Chulha like this. And she just ball it like this, right? That's how Shanty does do it. So my flour not tired. So anybody want food from Shanty after all they watch this video? Shanty only go by orders. Or they call and order. It's not a basic from Monday to Thursday I just be making fireside. So or they could call and order for that. Right? Yes, or they have to call 2 days before and tell me what they want and I will make that, and they come like Friday, Saturday and Sunday. In 3 days I will, but call me and let me know like 2 days before, right? So that is below a day. Right, so I'm going to build this just now and show you what we have in there. This is my parapan. The Shanty going to build a roti now. I'm not making no big roti. I don't make big roti. Right, so. I make my rotis neat, small and nice. Right, so we go into the tower with this. See how we done start to cook nice, coming back. Right here, see how Shanty clean up here. Like to sink it Chulha roti now. Come in there now to swell that way. This one in here, this one in there. Yeah, one time. And then in there, so you just need the heat. Once you get the heat, look at that. No dust, nothing there, so wonderful. Right, put one next one here. So anybody need this kind of roti from Shanty, or they call and order. I don't want my hand burned hot. Watch it. Right, I'm going to cut this roti and show how wonderful it is inside. Look at that. Cook properly. Swell. Cook wonderful inside, right? So that is the Sada.